Hey guys, Mike Troll, Amsoil dealer. We're under this 2011
2011.
Honda Pilot. Cool. Yeah, we got Michael here, and we got the Amsoil Signature Series 5W-20 and the EA 15K13. Guys, my links are down below, number1synthetic.com. You'll put in your year, make, model, and engine and see exactly what's available for your car. But we're going to start by draining it out. So, get under here. We just had our first rain in a super long time here in Clearwater, so we were thankful. You can pause it. So we're about to pull this plug and let it loose. There we go. Right in the bucket. Yeah, we're in the garage today because we actually got a nice downpour. It's been so dry here lately. So we're thankful to the Lord for his provision, for the rain. And yeah, guys, always remember, the Lord is a sun and shield. The Lord gives grace and glory. No good thing will he withhold from those who walk uprightly. I think that's Psalm 16. I could be wrong though. Alright. Alright, so we got the filter down and we got the new one, and we're gonna break the internet, guys. We're gonna pre-fill. Leave your mean comments down below. It's good for the algorithm. Haha. I got that from the guy from Freedom Works. Good channel, by the way. He does a lot of testing. Alright, we're gonna oil the gasket. Oh yeah, and we verified that the old gasket came off, which is very important. Otherwise you could end up with a very severe leak. Alright, we're gonna go up this. Thank you, Michael. I know it's hard to film. Not much you guys can see at this point, but just know that I'm screwing the filter on, hand tight, and I can't do it with these gloves. I gotta get an actual grip. Actually. Anyway, the gloves did save me from the heat and the most of the oil. So there it is. The filter is on and hand tight. And that filter and the oil we're going to put in are good for 15,000 miles or 1 year in severe service. Now, if you were a road warrior, you could actually run this oil for up to 25,000 or 1 year, and you'd have to change your filter in between. But very few of us fall under the normal service. It's basically you start the engine and drive a long distance and shut it off, and you don't idle and you don't short trip drive and all that. So some of you highway warriors would qualify. Alright, so new crush washer. And basically I like to change those every time because when you tighten it, the soft aluminum literally crushes and forms the seal. Alright, so we're going in with that. And remember, do not over tighten. And you can look up the torque spec, but I just go, you know, basically like 25 to 30 foot-pounds, and I've learned to feel that. Comment down below if you've ever had a ridiculously tight oil plug or oil filter where you've had to get creative to remove it. That's the best part about doing your own services, is you know exactly how it was done, that it was done, and that it was done right. Alright, so that's good right there. Now we'll hit this with some brake clean it all up. We got the Amsoil brake and parts cleaner. You can always throw stuff like this on your order if you need to get up to the threshold for free shipping. Also, fuel additives are another good idea. Good thing we have the garage open, so we're not inhaling all this stuff. Whew. All right, and that'll dry nice and clean. All right. Alright, so we're going in with the Signature Series 5W-20, and yeah, if you go to number1synthetic.com, my links are in the description and the pinned comment, and it's going to give you all your options. Yeah, this is super hidden down here. This is weird. But so the Signature Series is the top of the line, and then there's several other, you know, maybe you want full synthetic, but you don't necessarily want to go a full year. You can get the Amsoil OE, for example, and just change it at your standard intervals. All right, so we're gonna throw 4.5 in, I think. Check it. Alright, check. Alright, first start up with the Amsoil. Did your oil pressure light go out? I should have said that. Oh, you're talking about the reset. Yeah, I was just talking about the red oil pressure light. But let me check for leaks. Yeah, looks good. Alright. You want to back it? That's good. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, so let's take a look here. The white bit. Anybody in the comments ever had experience with a VCM muzzle? Like I see this one has the variable cylinder management, and I know a guy who moved away. He goes to a different church, but he had an Odyssey with a VCM muzzle, and he offered it to me when he was selling the van, but my 07 doesn't have that, so I should have thought of you. I don't know. That looks pretty good. I think we're right on with the 4.5. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe and share and reset your oil change light. But yeah, thanks for watching.